can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece.
What's up, you guys? I just sat down for lunch, so I thought we could chat really quick. I'm vlogging today, but I'm also working today, so that's why I haven't talked to you guys. But I'm about to eat my pizza for lunch. It's from Harvest Pizza in Columbus. It's so good. Thought I would vlog a day in my life for you guys because tonight I am hosting all my friends. We're wearing Christmas PJs, which I just threw my Skims pajamas in the wash so I can wear them because I wear them every day. But we're wearing Christmas pajamas and we're having an embroidery night. I'm so excited. I decided to host this for my friends to teach them how to embroider if they don't know, or if they do know, they're just joining, you know, for fun. And we're all going to do an embroidery project. I know my friend Taylor, she's making stockings, which is going to be really cute. I have no idea what I'm making. Maybe a Christmas ornament, or I have no idea, but I have tons of supplies set up and I'm really excited. So I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. I'm working 8 to 4. Once I get off at 4, I'm going to make chili. That's the dinner for tonight. It's the dinner menu. I'm making my classic chili with beef, and then I'm going to try a veggie chili as well because I have a friend who's vegetarian. So we're going to do that. And also chili was like the perfect choice because it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, I can make a veggie version, it fits in all the dietary requirements, which is good. And we're gonna have it with chips, my favorite. I love to scoop a chili. And yeah, that's for dinner, and then I'll teach everybody like some basic embroidery stitches and we'll all start on our project. So I'm really excited, I can't wait, and I will definitely show you guys everything.
Also, is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry, can't faze me. We can talk it out, no we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside. So I show up strong, maybe to a fault. Cause I know that two things can't be true.
Alright guys, I got all the ingredients out for chili. I'm making, like I said, one regular beef chili and then a half recipe of vegetable chili. And of course I have my Mexican spice blend here. It's like a HelloFresh custom recipe, so I have to make more of that. But otherwise, we're just about ready to start making chili. Let's do it.
Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress.
You're not understanding. No. Also, is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry, can't faze me. We can talk it out, no we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside. So I show up strong, maybe to a fault. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I go from bossa to blues, so I'll grow to love
also, by the way, sewing paper is not the same as sewing
with my
fabric.
pros and my
But I didn't
cons,
have that.
my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured out yet.
Here's the one I recommend for this.
I'm a work of art
Yeah, I'll show you guys.
and a work in progress. With my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws, don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress.